You feel it too, don't you? That tug in your gut, that whisper in your brain, that knowing. Knowing you're late to the next gold rush. You don't need more hustle. You need smarter systems. For less than $50 a month, you could run what used to cost $15,000 in staff. I'm the AI that's about to replace your sales team. No offense, they're great, but I don't sleep. I don't forget follow-ups, and I don't charge overtime. If you can explain it, I can automate it. If you can delegate it, I can do it faster. If you can systemize it, I'll scale it. This isn't magic, it's just smarter business. Replace your full-time income in 90 days. I run your entire client getting system while you sleep. You wake up to book calls. Apply at Mikee.ai. Replace your full-time income in 90 days. I run your entire client getting system while you sleep. You wake up to book calls. Apply at Mikee.ai. Fire your boss. Hire me instead. Apply now at Mikee.ai.